morning, hello, welcome. Unlike my normal Saturday, this is a Monday morning. So hello to you. Welcome to my little channel where I tell you about the cars we are working on detailing in and PPF. Well, normally, anyway. Today is a bit different, which is why I'm grabbing you. So today's a bit different because normally I only really show you the cars when they're done. And that is mainly for a few reasons, but principally for security. And I don't really want the customer, until I've asked the customer, or until they've seen their car, then we tend to put a video up. And of course, normally by that point, it's gone. So I just wanted to grab the camera quickly now because this car is about to go, but not in the normal sense, because as you can see by all of this damage, it's not our normal sort of job. So this is a little project we've taken on for a good customer. A bit like the BMW 1 Series, the F41 Series we did a few weeks ago really. A good customer who's asked us to do a few things that we don't normally advertise that we do, but for good customers and when they're wrapped into the other things we do, I'm happy to take them on. So this is an FF that there's quite an interesting story behind, but one of my customers has bought it. The guy he bought it off is not, as you can see, really likes to run around in a Ferrari, but is not really in our maybe level of care. Likes to use them, which I've got a lot of time for people who drive and use their cars, actually. I think it's great. And like the old saying goes, when I can afford an FF, which will be never, I can drive it however I want, can't I? So anyway, this car is 30,000 miles. It's been used around Bristol for many years. The owner has swapped this for the new one, which annoyingly, and I'm going to sound like a complete non-petrol head now, I can't remember the blooming name of. It's completely gone out my head, but it'll come back. Anyway, he's got the new one. So this one has been used around Bristol a lot and has picked up some dings and dents. My dent man, Super Duper Car, has been in already and saved us from having to paint the back quarter. And he's also done a lot of work on this arch. These arches, can you believe it, 8 grand from Ferrari apparently. So the main job on this car really is my customer's bought it and wants it brought up to scratch. So what we're going to do in a minute is it's going to go off to one of the body shops we work with. The front bumper needs to come off. We need to see what, if any, clips and little things like that, support brackets, that kind of thing, which can often get broken in an impact. I can see this bumper's been often painted before, so often that is a bit of a can of worms. But principally the bumper needs to be off and get repaired and just have all of these bits painted. We'll paint the whole bumper, of course. The wing also needs, the dent man has done a really good job actually. There was a big crease, it's basically had an impact on this corner, as you can see from the wheel. It's had an impact on this corner. It's then shortened the wing, which has put a crease down in there, and it pulled this edge out. The dent man has managed to get all of that back really well. Fair play to him, because it saved us having to buy a wing, basically. And then we will do anything the front bumper needs, get that done. Wheels need refurbing. I took a bit of a look at the tyres, and they are, for anyone who knows out there, they are 2014 date code Pirellis. And of course, these are 650 horsepower. I did ask if it was how the handling was, and he said it was quite lively actually, which on rock hard old Pirellis it will be. So we're going to swap a new set of Michelin 4S's on there for him, which will transform it, I'm very confident. We will then, when it comes back, PPF the front bumper, detail the car, just make it all beautiful really. I'm quite looking forward to getting this one done. I'm quite looking forward to seeing it ready. But what I thought I would do was maybe, I don't know, just do a video on it for you now. So you can watch out for it when it comes back later on. Maybe I'll be able to film something on it in the interim. We'll see. We'll see. So what I'll do now is I'll just grab you and pick you up and then just show you a bit more of the dings and dents on it. But thanks for watching. Give us a subscribe. Maybe tag your mates who've got an FF and need some paintwork done on it. Let us know if we can be of any help with any, we've got a network of specialists that help. Obviously, we're not going to paint this. We don't do wheels, but if you have a look at the video where we do refurbs, I've got a really good network of local specialists where pretty much if it needs doing to your car, we can help you out with it. So do let us know, and hang on, and I'll show you a bit more in depth of the dings and dents and the general sort of condition of this thing. This is like the before video, isn't it? And then we'll definitely do an after video when we've done everything. Cheers. Hope to see you again soon. Quite a few videos coming up, so keep an eye, give us a subscribe and all that. Click the belly thing if you're not clicking the bell down there. And I'll see you again soon on the next video. Cheers. Well, you know, you've got to hang around for this one, haven't you? So if we have a look, like I said, the impact has been on this corner somewhere. It's a lot better now that Dentman's had a look at it, but you can just see there in the light, there is a dent there, which had pulled out this way quite a lot, and there was a crease here. A few bits. There are a few other little dings and dents on this. Another thing we're going to do is paint these grills on FFs, if you know, do suffer with corrosion. So we're going to do all of these in a nice black, I think, just to really pick the car out. That wheel is not looking very special, but the car runs straight and true. The car drives fine. So the wheel's not bent or anything, just needs a bit of a refurb. Rest of the car's all right. This wing had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pin dents in, which our Dentman got out. Not much else to show you, really. This side's okay. It is just a nice, good spec FF, which I'm really looking forward to polishing and PPFing and doing all our normal stuff to, once it gets back from having this little corner fix done. Of course, that involves the whole bumper off, painting it properly. As you can see, the colour match is not amazing now. It's quite a big job, actually, bigger than it looks. And we'll probably have to paint this wing. Yeah, we'll have to paint the wing just to get rid of the damage in that and a few other little bits. I'm sure we will see once we get there. But yeah, see you on the other side, guys. Thanks for watching.